Hi there. Welcome to the ingredient channel where I share easy to follow homemade Chinese recipes. Today, I'm going to share a super simple recipe to cook chicken liver, making it a great option for a quick and tasty meal. If you are looking for easy homemade recipes to cook pork liver, check out the link above. About 1.5 pound chicken liver. Remove any connective tissue or greenish spots and rinse gently but thoroughly. Drain and put them into a pan. Some scallion, a few slices of ginger roots, light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons, one star anise. That's all you need. Star anise has a very strong flavor. 1 teaspoon of 5 spices, 1 dry bay leaf, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1.5 teaspoon of salt. No water needed. Adding water is actually a common mistake. The liver will release water while being cooked. Bring to a boil and simmer for 1 minute. And then flip the livers gently. Cover and simmer for another 5 minutes. Switch off the heat. Feel free to garnish them with any herbs you like. Serve hot or cold, either as a main dish or a side. They go well with a variety of accompaniments, such as rice, salad, or mashed potatoes. The liver is tender and flavorful. Such a quick and easy way to enjoy this nutritious organ meat. I hope you enjoy this episode. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks, and see you next time.